Gravenhurst's Amazing Builders Club. I'm Jen, and I'm with you every Thursday at 2 p.m. with fun, open-ended building challenges and tool tutorials. So, follow me into the Amazing Builders Clubhouse, and let's get started. All right, Amazing Builders, let's jump right in to this week's Building Challenge. This week, I'm challenging you to build a slingshot or catapult. A catapult is a large device that was used to launch objects over great distances. They were used in ancient and medieval times during sieges to invade towns and even castles. Slingshots, on the other hand, are generally much smaller devices. They used a forked stick and an elastic band to fling things forward. You might have seen a very large slingshot in the popular video game Angry Birds. Both slingshots and catapults use the sudden release of stored potential energy to project or shoot things forward. I would like you to ask a parent for help or supervision when building your catapult or slingshot today. And I'd also like to remind you to never shoot anything with a catapult or slingshot that is alive. So no target practice on animals or your little sister. Take a look at these real life and kid-built examples. Remember, you can complete the weekly building challenge in any way that you can imagine and using any materials that you want. That means you could use Lego, blocks, household materials, craft supplies, recycled materials, materials you collected in nature, or real building materials. How you build is up to you. All right, Amazing Builders, it's tool tutorial time. For this week's tool tutorial, we're investigating flashlights. Flashlights are an often forgotten about or unappreciated tool, but they're incredibly important because they help us to see what we're working on and they light up a space. Flashlights can come in many different sizes and have different brightness levels. You can also make flashlights flash, which is an important safety feature because they can help you to get the attention of other workers on a job site. How cool is that? Well, Amazing Builders, that's all I had for you this week. Complete the weekly building challenge and share your work. Upload a photo to the commenting section under this video. Create a post with a photo or video and tag the library. You could also share your work by direct messaging us on social media or emailing us a photo at library@gravenhurst.ca. I can't wait to see all of the amazing creations that you came up with. Also, remember to take a peek at the description for this week's video. You'll find additional information and resources pertaining to the weekly building challenge and tool tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new weekly videos. As always, Gravenhurst, I'm Jen, and I'm with you every Thursday at 2 p.m. with fun, open-ended building challenges and tool tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week.